My name is Fikri and I'm an operations trainer here at Thermo Fisher Scientific. As a trainer, I welcome new colleagues to our site here in Grand Island, New York, where we manufacture special liquids called cell culture media used by laboratories in scientific experiments. I am their first contact on the manufacturing floor, and I continue to train them until they're familiar with our entire liquid manufacturing process. I teach our new colleagues how to prepare a batch and formulate with different ingredients that end up creating larger batches in liquid products before ultimately getting packaged and shipped. These liquids may not look like much, but they are a big deal. Cell culture media is used for production of COVID-19 vaccines and is distributed all over the world. Additionally, these liquid products are used in research and development to help scientists try to find cures for the biggest disease of our time, like cancer. As a student, I always wanted to help in any way I could to make a difference in people's lives. Now, working for Thermo Fisher, I can truly say that enabling our customers to make the world healthier, cleaner, and safer is not only the company's mission, but my own. My work experiences in this field, as well as my enthusiasm to help others, has helped me to succeed in this role. As a native from Turkey and now a trainer at a global science company, I bring unique empathy and understanding to a position that works with a diverse set of new hires. To be a good operations trainer, it really helps to embrace unique perspectives and treat others with dignity and respect. I started my journey at Thermo Fisher as a lead formulation technician, which was a great way to get my foot in the door. I really enjoy being hands-on the production floor, seeing everything as it happens. Understanding our manufacturing processes has given a better view of what we're trying to accomplish here. Anyone interested in this type of career can take a variety of different paths, many which are non-technical tracks. I have a bachelor's degree in business economics from Canisius College in Buffalo, New York, and I'm currently attending my last semester in Master of Business Administration. It was ultimately my determination and how I overcome obstacles that has helped me to get where I am today. At Thermo Fisher, we have a very diverse workplace with colleagues from a variety of backgrounds. Having a different background has always been a strength for me. Training people and making a difference in people's lives is what matters to me.